Hello, here is my assignment number 6, and at first I like to show you my header file. It's common point H, and I wrote in every file this in the top so that you know the name of the file. Yeah. Okay, as we learned, we have to use this. If it's not defined, then define it, and in the end of it I use this and if. Okay, then I included string and IOStream using namespace in this file, and in every other file I included this header file so I don't have to use all these three things again. Using macros, it's possible to change the program name and the version of it. And here's also this if and def and define. So if it's not defined, define it to this 1.0, and also you'll see end if, and then I named it version, and it is then 1.0. The name, if it's not defined, define it to toid, and this is the game name. After that, there are the two structs here, and I did not change them, so it's the same as last week. But then the functions are stored or listed in these three namespaces, and the first namespace core includes this init game, destroy game, and has active players. Then there is a second namespace, mechanics, with do guess. And the third namespace, statistics, has this print player stats. Okay, then I have every function in a new file, cpp. So init game includes the header file, and then it's almost the same what I wrote here, but in the beginning this changed because it's not only the function, it also has to use the namespace, and here it is, core, and these two double dots, and then this is almost the same as last week. Yeah, so then the second function, do guess, includes also the header file and has to use the namespace again. Then this here is almost the same again, has active players, include header file, and with this namespace. Okay, so it checks if there are any active players, and common point H is included again in this file, and use the statistics namespace. Here are the statistics printed out, and include again header file and use this again. So after all these 5 files for the function, I have at least the 7th file. It's the main file here, and yeah, it's also almost the same, but here the cout changed because now it's using the game name and the version, so it's possible to change them. So that's why we used these both. Okay, and then always when you want to use a function, you have to write this again, this core and double dots here, also for the active players function, and for do guess use the mechanics, always the name you used for the namespace. Okay, so that's it. Now the test. First, where is the file? Yeah, like to show it you with the changed name at first. So here it is, welcome to, and then the game name is Nuka now, and the version is 2.0, and then you play it. Yeah. Okay. But if you would like to name it Toy and the first version of it, sorry, then you can do it like this. Here is welcome to Toy version 1.0, and then it's almost the same again. Okay, so that's it.